Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh to Surface for Solidworks. Let's continue to explore the tools that we have to reconstruct from the reference mesh. By default, when the snapping is on, the option which is chosen is the closest point. What does it mean? Is that if I have a situation like this one with a hole, let's try to just select this, right-click and split this edge. If you see, our point is snapping to the mesh. Even if I try to put it here, it just becomes in a weird place that it's not what you desire. I will just place my in front view. And here I can probably rotate a little bit. Why I'm showing you this, that in some cases you may have holes in your mesh, but you still want to place your point here. One option is you turn off and use the manipulator, but the other option is what we call the ray projection. The idea of ray projection is that you take the point, and when you drop it, it actually tries to hit the mesh from the viewport you're looking at, and if there isn't anything underneath, it just remains where you left it. To demonstrate this, if I just move this mouse point here, it actually snapped on the triangles because there are some data here. This feature can be useful in some cases where you want to reconstruct surfaces without switching to the manipulator mode, and it can be useful when you have some holes to fill. By default, it's the closest point, it's the most powerful and easy to use, so probably in most of the cases you'll just use this option. That's all for this short tutorial. Thank you for watching.